Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a little video to show how I look at the map and what I look for when I look at maps. So I come down here on my website to the bottom and I click on this map because it will take me straight to the Marin County Fire ArcGIS map. So when you open it, it has all this stuff and it's very busy and it's hard to kind of see what's happening. And sometimes you won't have the right base map. So the first thing I do is I always change the base map to topographic, and that's the one that's on right now. It's the easiest for me to see when the fire is going up a hill or going through a valley. And you can kind of see where the fire path would take it if it were to go along a ridge. So then I go over here and you can actually change the layers that you're viewing. And I kind of get rid of what I can. So we know where the evacuation orders are now, so I can take those away. I don't need to have those on the map while I'm looking at the fire map. And then I take away like the air quality stuff. We don't need that. This will just take away the little fire flame symbols. I don't need power outages. I don't need webcams. I just want my satellite thermal activity and the fire perimeter. So then I'm going to zoom in. You can double click or you can press the plus and minus. And I'm looking for changes, really. So this map is just updated on the 26th of August, and I want to look at how it compares to the one from the 24th. So I'm actually gonna click this one and then take this one away. So you can see the old perimeter here, 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 here. But what is interesting is this part has changed. So when I click this, suddenly you have this whole part over here that wasn't there before. So sometime between the 24th and the 26th, it's burned. You can kind of see which direction the fire is heading in. So it's this part that we want to focus on. And you can actually see, you have to zoom out again. You can see that faint red line right there is the old map where it ended. And I had noticed some hot spots from the thermal imagery over here yesterday. So this doesn't surprise me, and they had said it burned down towards the visitor center. But what we can see is it's burning along this ridge and in this valley here, and that it's getting pretty close to the visitor center. The visitor center is right here. This is the visitor center. And it's pretty close to Alima too. And if it would get into all this, this is pretty, I think the firefighters were saying that it's flashy fuels, so it could burn pretty quickly. So yeah, that's how I look at the maps, and you can actually go up here and get some even more data. So right now, the way it's defaulted is to just show you the perimeter of the heat map. But what I found is they also have these cool other features, more data, and these are isolated heat sources. So these are heat sources that are probably spot fires, or I'm not sure, but my guess is spot fires. And then you can look at like the scattered heat. So this is, you know, it's spotty here. It's not burning everything, but it's pretty, you know, it's still burning. They still included it in the perimeter. And then you can see where the intense heat is. And this is like the fire's edge. This is where it's headed. So you can see it's burning up this hill. You know, it's burning through this valley, burning up this hill, kind of headed over here and over here. And it's the winds coming, let's see, the wind's blowing like this right now. So this makes a lot of sense that this wind is blowing the fire up this hill and up this hill and up this hill. And that's where most of the fire activity is right now. At least from this map, that's what I can tell. All right, well, I hope this gives everybody an idea of what to look for when you're looking at the map, and hopefully this helps. Bye!